Yeah, I think that's about it. So we are going to be switching trikes. So whatever we start with isn't what you're going to end up with, because I want everyone to try something new, right? You might grab something you just don't like. So we'll switch out trikes here in a little bit. We will be making several little stops along the way. If you need to make a stop, just yell out and we'll stop. Ron's going to be in the rear. He and I have communication on our helmets, so if anything happens, he can let me know, hey, you know, slow down, Richard, or whatever. Amanda's going to be recording a lot of video. She's going to be passing us numerous times to get in front in order to set up camera to watch us as we roll by, that sort of thing. And I know this is an old joke, you've heard it many times, but if you're in the witness protection program, let me know on the side and I'll blur your face or something if you don't want to be on camera, okay? All right. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's it. That's enough eat. Jabber jabber. Does everybody have water? Okay. And I was trying to figure out how to pick and choose who's going to start with what trike, and my initial thought was let the early bird get the worm to get us started. So Joe, do you have a trike you want to ride?
Whenever nobody else wants to ride.
Pick a trike, Joe.
Oh God!
Do you have one?
I picked the electric for Joe.
Pick one. All right, guys, just pick one. Everybody grab a trike, please. No questions?
I've ridden most of these.
All right, super. You all right? You ready to give it a whirl? It's nice and slow. Rick, yes. All right, now tell me, your first experience on a trike. Tell me.
It's totally different.
I told you it was. It's a fun experience too. All right, well, let's go. We'll take it nice and slow to start. Is that me or you? Where'd that noise come from? Did you hear it? What the heck? Let's not have a breakdown already. Everyone good?
Everyone good, back here.
Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. Boy, we were having fun today. We got the trikes out. I've got 7 friends with me. Just gonna get out here and enjoy our day in the sweltering heat for just a little bit. Heat index will be about 100 probably today because it was 100 yesterday. High humidity, but we're gonna have a good time. There's smiles on everyone's faces because this is just about everyone's first time riding a trike. Right here, Rick, take a left on the sidewalk.
All right, here's some mirror over here. Trike. We'll talk about all the trikes here in just a little bit and get you familiar with what everyone is riding today.
So this is a video I've been wanting to make for a while. It's been something on my mind since early part of the year, and one thing or another, we just didn't get a chance to bring it together, and we finally did a couple of weeks ago. Finally picked a date and said, yep, this is what we're doing. So yeah, having a good time today.
The street. What's that? Oh, who? What'd you do, hit the curb? Uh-huh.
Little bump right here. Okay, real quick, we okay? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, real quick, any questions? Everything good?
Yeah.
No apprehension? What did we do?
Oh, chain came off.
Chain came off.
Oh, you got put it on and maybe
If I'm turning,
Yes.
is it because I'm getting afraid of turning?
Yeah,
It could be in the bush, you know, you turn,
turn the wheel.
So
You
I'm
good?
just a question on
Yeah.
to this. When I turn, I feel like I'm afraid to turn. Is that just getting used to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because when you turn, you start feeling the bike doing a little wibble.
Right.
Right.
Okay.
And so that's where I'm saying, if you turn this way, lean your body this way just a little bit.
Lean, not this way.
Yeah,
Leaning
into
in.
the circle, into the curve.
Got it. Okay.
Because that'll help keep it from wanting to do that.
Okay.
And if it here in a couple of, this is a really long straightway now, but before we start doing anything else, we'll swap and you can try something else. Because this is probably the one that is the most wiggly.
This is cool.
Right?
That's fun.
Is that too high?
Pardon?
The seat, is it too high for you?
No, I raised it up.
Oh, all right. All right. Here we go.
he'd only ridden a bike ever in his life for 2 weeks. He just started riding.
This one's got a noise it's never had before. I'm gonna have to check it out.
Oh yeah,
See that? I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's.
sounds like a breeze.
It sounds like it, but you know what? I'm concerned it might be the axle. I hope not. What do you think?
What do I think of the bike or just having fun?
In general.
I'm having a great time.
Excellent. Good to hear. Now tell me about the bike.
It's a little squirrely.
It is, isn't it?
It's squirrely.
Yeah. Most trikes honestly are a little squirrely because you're going to feel that wobble and it takes a little to get used to. Once you've ridden them for
a one, you know, the handlebars are a little bit.
a little slow and
Yeah.
who likes that, right?
Yeah.
We'll swap out here in just a few minutes. You like it? And you don't have to be older or broken to enjoy a trike, right? That's what I'm trying to get the word out to people, you know? It's fun. It's a different experience.
Up there. Hold up there. He's not a late cross. It was rude. That's called a crosswalk. She ought to get her license. Yep. Turn it into. Hey. Amanda got it on video that we almost got taken out. Watch this curve. Leans. There you go. Just like that. Perfect.
You almost got taken out earlier by that car. Stop right here. We're going to swap out real quick. Pick a trike, Rick. You want to swap trikes? You want to try something new?
Sure. Somebody wants to swap.
Hey,
I'll bring it.
just hop off and grab one. How about that?
You can't change the different speeds just in your job and your pedaling. That's it. Everything else, just drop it in the front basket. You got room for one. There's room back here if you want to put it in here. First one there? Okay. Alright, yeah, it's a little fun to ride this guy.
So only throttle.
And one speed, it's all throttle, and electric is the one having a revolutionary thing right up to that. You can still be that hot and not even use it.
Oh, okay. All right.
But now there's only
Seat's a little weird.
It'll
wobble.
I think it's going to be good.
Let's go.
May like it, you may not. I like it.
All right, guys, we got the 630 rickshaw out here today. No one's ridden it, I don't think, except for one other person. We got the Lectric XP. That's Patrick. Patrick, you having fun?
Oh, having a blast.
He's having a blast. All right. We got the Mooncool TK1. That's Mrs. Adventures. We've got the Mooncool MC350. We have the Franken-Trike, the infamous Franken-Trike. Go look for that video if you're not familiar with it. And we have the Viribus. And we have the Mooncool Fat 20 right here. We have Amanda on the camera today, and she's riding the Ansky S.
Oh, is it?
What is that? 700? I forgot. Yes, the S700. Yeah, this power went out.
Did it?
Yeah, I'm on manual. Yep.
You got a co-roll?
Yep, I do. Oh, there we go. Now we got something again. Now there's nothing. There we go. I got power again. It gives me power once in a while, so I get a little bit of a reprieve. No power again. Just manually pedaling. There I got a little bit. Now I got nothing. I've got nothing. This is a long, dreaded stretch of road. What's that? Hey, go by and I'll grab your basket or something. There you go. You might have to pull me. Bunch of nonsense. It's not giving me hardly anything. I said, yeah, it's not giving me anything. He's got to tow me. I'm not going to pedal like, I'm not like Carla. Yep. There. We're okay. Because from here I can hold on to it, make sure it stays tight. This is living here. This thing's acting like it's trying to give me quite a bit of power again. I'm wondering if it was just hot and it needed time to cool down. That could be, maybe. It just got too hot. Because this keeps trying to give me power now as I pedal. So I'm wondering if it was just hot. And so let's just try it with... You did too? You lost power too? I wonder if they're getting hot. Because mine is acting like it's trying to give me power again, so I think maybe it had time to cool down. And you okay?
Yeah, I couldn't make that turn.
It's a little big.
Yeah.
Really tight, isn't it?
Have you ridden this one, Carla? The Lectric?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I didn't care for
Hey,
that one either.
we're almost there. Lunch is just right up here.
Where are we going?
Lunch, right up here.
Oh, where?
Beef O'Brady's. Yeah, we're going across. If this bike will get me there,
If not, I'll just run really hard into the back of you. Just hold on.
or we'll find somebody else to tow you.
You're losing your mirror, by the way.
Oh, it's...
No, here.
Oh, okay, yeah. So Rick just got done saying he does not like the Lectric because there's no suspension in the front.
I'm gonna hit a bump. I want to hit a bump.
And what else, Rick?
It rattled a bit. You know.
It does rattle. That Viribus sure rattles. Something came loose on that besides the
That fender on
controller
that
going out.
rattles like crazy. On that left fender.
Got two parked over there.
Yeah, we'll lock up over there.
Yeah, we probably should. All right, guys, check it out, all these bikes. All these trikes, I should say. Just had a great lunch at a little place called Beef O'Brady's. Got a couple parked over there. There's none in the parking over here. There's Amanda. Amanda, what'd you get, by the way?
I got an Asian rice bowl.
An Asian rice bowl. Nice. What was that, Ron?
Nothing.
You said something.
Not a thing.
Yeah.
My pants feel wet.
Ah, yeah, mine do too, a little bit.